Madam and Sir, I'm Sara Rhea Lynn Silva Ubina, 34 years old, married and blessed with 4 children. They are all boys ages 10 years old, 8 years old, and 4 years old. My husband's name is Eduardson Reyes Baligod. My father's name is Reynaldo Ubina, and my mother's name is Jocelyn S. Ubina. I have 5 sisters and 1 brother. I am the second of the family. I'm from the town of Tuguegarao City, Cagayan, Philippines. I am a college undergraduate. My experience here in the Philippines as a helper is cooking, cleaning, marketing, washing clothes, and take care of children. I love cooking Filipino dishes like pinakbet, caldereta, and adobo, but I'm willing to learn cook Chinese food also. To my future employer, please do hire me. I'm a good person, loyal, kind, and hardworking. I will do my best to serve your family, take care of your own children as my own, follow your rules that you gave to me. God bless and thank you.